Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's been a while. It's January 2021. Yay. Um, and I thought I would do kind of a different video. I really wanted to get a gingerbread house and do it this year. I wanted the Oreo one for Christmas. But I work. And by the time I was able to get to the store, all the gingerbread houses, including the Oreo ones and the regular gingerbread, were gone. And I was so disappointed. But I didn't realize that my mom had gotten me this one. And this is a holiday dog house, like gingerbread house to assemble. And I'm going to do that today. And then I'm going to give it to my dog. I'll probably film her reaction and have to figure out to add that onto the video so you can see. So we're going to assemble it. I have not opened it yet. I don't really know how to film videos. My kitchen is kind of odd. To see my face, you can't see the counter. I don't have a tripod or anything, so you're just sitting on my counter. I got some things that I thought I might need. A cutting board, this piece of foil that I'm going to wrap around the cutting board because it comes with these little where is it? These little wafer things to assemble the cookies and the little sprinkles onto. So I'm just gonna wrap that nicely. It's just a piece of refurbished foil, or I used it for something and now I'm using it again for something else because it's called saving money. Okay, and then I also got a little baggie for the wafers, something to melt them in. I think that's everything. So, do you want to see the sweetie that's going to get the cookie? Okay, Ginger. This is Ginger. Hello. Hi. So this is okay. She's clearly not interested. Okay. She'll be more excited once it's assembled. There she is. Back where you were. Huh. Okay, so let's open it. I hope that the pieces are all intact. I really hope. So there's these things. These are little Voggy biscuits, I guess, to decorate with. It actually smells really good. I looked at the ingredients on the back because it didn't say what kind of cookie it was, but it looks like it's like an applesauce, cinnamon kind of thing, which smells amazing. And these little white melting wafers. These are not chocolate, okay? For anybody that is like, oh, you can't give chocolate to dogs. First of all, white chocolate isn't even real chocolate, so, Second of all, these are not even white chocolate at all. These are called melting wafers. And they're made out of vegetable oil and food dye and shit. It's not even it's just something to assemble the cookie with. So don't get all upset. These adorable little thingies. Cute. Oh, and the doghouse. Oh my god, it's so cute. So this is I don't know, like that. Yep. So that would go like that. I'm gonna lay them out flat. In the position where I think they'll probably be going. I don't know. There's these two things. These look like maybe they're windows or something. One side looks like it's a little, I don't know. Do they go like that? I'm really not sure. So I think those go on the side, like this. I don't know. Is that the way it goes? Like that? And then like that. This is going to be really interesting. I've never assembled. I'm going to see if that's the way it goes. This is really weird. I've never done one of these before. I know, I'm 35 and I've never assembled a gingerbread house. So we'll see how this goes. My dog doesn't care. She'll eat it. I don't know. Is this the way it goes? I guess. I don't see directions. I don't know how far away I'm supposed to put the snack. Is it supposed to hang over like that? You could just hang over like that. That would be kind of cute. So I think this is the roof. That's the window on the side, obviously. Like that. And then the two roof tiles. It does not come with directions. I guess it smells so good. She's very excited down there. So I guess I'm gonna melt these wafers and then put them in this baggie here. Because I don't have, I have a frosting bag, but I don't want to, get all that shit out just for this. This is like just for my dog. She didn't give a shit. All right. So once we get the house assembled, I'm going to go melt these and put them in the bag and all that, and then come back. Yeah, I'll be right back. So the melting wafers are taking longer than I thought they would. I don't know, it's probably my microwave. It's like right there. It's super tiny. It's only like 600 or 800 watts. So it's been in there for 2.5 minutes. My dog can tell that this is for her. She's very upset. These smell so good. They smell like apple fritters. Seriously, if you want to know what this smells like, apple fritters. Okay, I don't really know how to do this, so here's my frosting. It's I'm gonna put it in this bag here, and then I don't know. I'm sure I'm gonna have to wait on the roof until the sides dry. In which case I might pause the video and go make my banana bread and come back to this. So we'll see. Oh shit. Making a mess here. I guess I should have paused the video for this part, but it's my first time. And this is supposed to be fun. My dog is pacing around. She's getting impatient. Ginger, this is going to take a long time, okay? And she's just going to gobble this up in like 3 seconds. It'll be gone. Okay. There we go. So I got it down into a point here. And I'm I'm just afraid it's gonna be too runny. Okay. Well, I'm only snip. Ah, shit. Where'd it go? I heard it land somewhere. Okay. So I'm gonna put the little sides on it. Doo-doo-doo. All right. Let's do this. This isn't too bad. Let's get this on before it dries. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. I can't really look over there to see if you guys can see what I'm doing, so I hope you guys are. This isn't sticking very well. It's gonna need to build up these walls here. This is kind of fun, and it smells so good. I hope she's not gonna care that this is a big old mess. Gosh, this smells good. I keep saying that, but like, seriously, you guys, this is really fun. I don't know where my mom got this. I'm assuming like TG Maxx or something. Something like that. Just putting the frosting in there. There we go. It's sweet. Tastes like vegetable oil or something. It's sweet. So here it is. It's drying right now. Adorable. Hello, cute. And it smells so good. So now the roof. Turn it so you can see it. Oh. Is this the way it goes? Well, one roof tile is larger than the other, so there's going to be a bit of a breeze. To put a blanket in there for her. Well, it doesn't work that way. It's gonna have to go like that. And we'll do one at a time, I think. It looks pretty good. So now I'm gonna have to put it on this side. So I've been reading, actually I haven't been reading, I've been gotten really into audiobooks, because I work at a grocery store, I do the online shopping, so if I'm just out shopping for groceries and I'm not like the person that's got to run them out to people, I've gotten really into audiobooks, and I've never been into them before. I've always been like, I'm a total bookworm. I'm a nerd. I love books. And I've gotten really into listening to them. And I've found some really, really cool books to listen to. The one I'm listening to now is called, it's a Cassneri novel. It's like a mystery. I found it in the mystery section. And what I do is I use what is it called? OneDrive, I think. Anyway, it's this thing on the library's website where you can, it's their online portion of the library, I guess. So it's called the book of Lamps and Banners, and it is really good. It's kind of something different for me because I'm like, I don't do drugs and stuff, but she is a tweaker. She's like snorting shit and like, yeah, she's like, it's really different for me. But I like it. I'm trying to improve my, my reading, and I mean, I'm a good reader. I just, read some different stuff this year. I tend to read the same books, and it's okay, but yeah. I also read, sorry, I keep saying read. I didn't read it. I listened to another one, and gosh, I don't remember what it was called. Murder on the East End, and I guess it's a series about this woman who's a cook in, Victorian England in the 18 somethings. And this is getting, it's getting too hard. I need to put it in the microwave. Oh, fuck my life. Sorry, shouldn't have said that. Okay, God, that's a big old mess. Oh my God, I can't believe I did that. There's no way I'm just going to leave this, because that chocolate will melt on my microwave. Anyway, so this book, the other book I read, gosh, what's it called now? I don't remember. Murder on the East End. Yeah, it was really good. It's about this lady who's a cook, and she has a daughter, and there's this kind of guy love interest, and his name is Daniel, and he's got dark black hair, or dark hair, like black brown, and he's got blue eyes, and he's so gorgeous. and he's like this man of all work, and he helps her, and it's really good. You should check it out. I just got them from the library, that's all. I did look to try and see how much it would be for like an Audible subscription, and it's too much money. So I'm just going to continue to read my books at the library. Yep. So I don't think my dog will care what this looks like. I just want to keep the sides on. All right, here we go. It's assembled. Cute. She would be really upset if she gets really upset if she thinks that I'm gonna eat something that belongs to her. She's so cute. Love being a dog mom. Forever dog mom. Ah, it's so cute. 25 minutes in. I hope that you guys are, you know, have a smoke or a drink or something and zone out for a while. So cute. Trying to let it dry. So now, I don't know what to do with these. I don't know. Am I supposed to like put them on the house or like, I don't know. I'm not really sure. I don't know. This is a little harder than I expected it to be. I mean, I thought it would be like easier, but yep. You can't see what I'm doing, but I'm putting these on the back side, like along here, and I'm afraid if I move it here and there, I guess now you can see what I'm doing. Putting it on the corner here. I hope you can see what I'm doing. See, I'm trying to put these on the side here to give it like more of a cute little decoration kind of thing. See it? I'll move the camera around in a minute. I'm trying to work quickly here because this stuff dries really fast. Like that. Huh, how does it look from the front? Pretty cute. Yeah. Huh. There it is. And I want to put them over the top here where the seam is. Continue with the assembly. I'm just gonna put these around here. This is pretty cute. Mhm. I don't know if this is going to be enough of these little cookie things. I didn't really think about what I was going to do if I didn't have... Yeah, I know. I'm putting my hands in my mouth. They actually... I mean, it's not like this isn't like food grade or something, you know? I know, Ginger, this is for you. Doesn't it smell fantastic? I know, it smells so good. It's really annoying. There. It'll dry. Just have to let it sit there. But to make sure that she doesn't... I'm going to take some pictures of it. I want to send it to my mom and show her. I assembled it. There. I'm gonna do it along here, along the back now. See how far I can get. Alternating red and green cookies. This is really fun. Whoopsie. Whoa. All this icing is just... I probably won't give this to her all at one time. Because that would be too much, I think. Too many cookies at once. So I think my dog needs to go out, but I'm busy making her dog house right now. So, you know, she just went out to pee, so. Although sometimes I think she wants to go out and she doesn't want to go out. I think she's just standing at the door checking stuff out. Now I'm just putting them along the back ridge of the house like I did there in the front. I actually went to my local Target and I was really excited. I saw peppermint hot cocoa and it was so good. And I like peppermint. Peppermint is a little different than like regular mint. I'm not a huge fan of like mint flavored foods and stuff like chocolates and things. But that peppermint hot cocoa was super, super good. Kind of worried that these aren't gonna be staying, but I don't think there's enough room on the back, so I'm just gonna, there. I'm like, oh, there we go. like a glove. Perfect. Now I'm gonna put these two over here. Well, I was gonna put this right here on the door, like that, but my chocolate is it's drying out on me. And it's very messy. This is quite fun. Woo. Ginger, right there on the floor. Right there. Thank you. Some of this kind of melted away on the floor, so it's not coming out. Magic. There we go. There we go. Door like so. Ow. Well, that looks fantastic, you guys. 365-degree view. Look at that. Oh yeah. I mean, it looks fantastic. I think I want to put the I don't know what to do with the sprinkles. I think I want to put like I need to defrost this more. Melt it more. It's not quite there. I have an idea of what I wanted to do, but we'll see if it works out. My husband should be home pretty soon, but you know, I don't know. I never really do this kind of stuff when he's around because I get, I don't know, self-conscious about doing videos and stuff when he's around. I don't know why. I mean, he knows I do them sometimes, but he's not like... Ugh, there we go. It's drying out. Here we go. Well, I mean, this isn't like, I mean, my dog, I'm like, she will not give a shit. So, oh, there we go. I wanted to spread this over like that. I was hoping that it would stick, but it's not. It's clearly not. And I'm getting mess all over the place. Well, but clearly this is just like, this is a mess at this point. I need to put this in a cup or something and like melt this more, because there's made a mess with the rest of the frosting here. Well, it was cute, and now, like, that's what the roof looks like. Although I don't think she'll care. I was trying to go for, like, snow with, like, the little things on top, but that didn't really work. Well, okay. So, I'm gonna try to spread this a little bit. There we go. That's what I wanted it to look like. There we go. Ah! Okay, before I ruin it, I'm just gonna throw that shit away. There we go. I think this is the way I want it to look. I'll show you the top. There you go. Doo-doo-doo. You see it? There you go. There's the little house. Little snow, the little sprinkles. Door. Cute. Well, I'm not going to put the part where she's eating it. I will attach that at the end. I'm going to let it dry. I'm going to probably text my mom. I'm going to make some banana bread. Like that. Ah, beautiful. Very nice. Yeah. And I'll attach the part at the end where she's eating it, or devouring it. Okay, Lily. Okay. Are you ready for your holiday doghouse?
Go get it.
Yes. Just gonna put it down. Try and eat it in front of the camera, please. What are you gonna do first? Should I take it apart?
No, let her do it. Look at that. Let her do her thing.
She's been getting this flying everywhere. She's got it. Nope, no. Right here. Leave it there. I thought it would take her like seconds, but it's a crunchy cookie.
Yeah, not very hard actually. It's like.
Camera can't see you, Ginger. You want to see the cute Ginger?
Sorry.
Come here. Can't see you, Ginger. I want to be able to watch this again. It's cute. So far, a minute and a half. It's a big cookie. The frosting is sweet. The white little things. It's not real chocolate. It's a lot of cookies. I'm sure she'll come back to her the little pieces. Hope she doesn't choke. It looks like he's having a hard time swallowing. I was debating on whether to give it to her in pieces or give it to her all at once, but easy. She's an animal. She's cooked on the floor. Gross. She's gonna lick it all up anyway. Like the cookie bomb. Boom! Wow. You gotta get an aerial view. That's a big mess, Ginger. Good job. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up in case I don't get to say this part later. If you made it to this part in the video, thank you. Subscribe. Or don't. It smells amazing. And this was really fun to make. Maybe next year I'll be able to get a hold of an Oreo one. That would be great. I'll have to start earlier in the year. I'm just not a Christmassy kind of person. I don't like celebrate really. And especially this year. It's kind of weird. Yeah. It looks great. I think it turned out really cute. Thank you so much for watching. I'll show you the part where my dog is going to devour it here pretty soon. Thank you. Bye.